Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Meanwhile, a road rage incident has landed a South Florida man in jail after police say he shot a woman. The shooting happened in Kendall, and police were able to arrest the man at the scene, taking him to the county jail.
Yeah, that's where NBC6's Chris Hush is live tonight with more details on what happened. Chris.
Yeah, this young man now facing attempted murder charges. Police telling us that multiple witnesses at the scene when this happened yesterday helped them with the investigation, leading to this quick arrest.
Sir, can you afford to hire a lawyer?
Yes.
This is 29-year-old Javiel Polo, appearing in court not once but twice today. Just 24 hours earlier, Miami-Dade police say he shot a 61-year-old woman during a road rage incident. It happened on Southwest 88th Street in Kendall after the woman and Polo got into a dispute. Polo was riding a motorcycle when both stopped just west of 137th Avenue in the middle of the street. Polo allegedly got off his bike and the woman out of her car. That's when police say he pulled out a semi-automatic handgun and fired at least one shot to her leg.
Did you call an attorney?
I'm sorry about the confusion earlier. I've never been to jail. It's my first time. I can't afford that.
I don't think he qualifies at all for a public defender.
If you could just hear me out for 1 second.
In his second bond court hearing today, Polo's mic was cut off after initially saying he wanted to hire a private attorney, but later said he didn't have the money for one.
I will appoint the public defender's office for you, sir. So in this case, you're charged with attempted second-degree murder.
His public defender arguing this.
The arrest form indicates that the gunshot was to the upper thigh, which would indicate no desire to kill.
Actually, isn't there a football player who was killed a few years ago because he was shot in his upper thigh and it hit an artery?
The judge finding probable cause to maintain the second-degree attempted murder charge and denying bond. So as it stands right now, Polo remains behind bars here at the county jail. He's scheduled for another hearing in court tomorrow for a pretrial detention. He was also ordered to stay away from this 61-year-old victim, who, by the way, is stable in the hospital tonight.
61-year-old woman was shot after a dispute on the road turning violent.
Local 10's crime specialist Bridget Matter is live at the scene with more details. Bridget.
So this man is accused of shooting a 61-year-old woman during a bout of road rage. This happened yesterday. He did stay on scene, and police say they found a gun in his waistband. Here's a look at him. This is the man police arrested, Javiel Polo. He's accused of shooting a 61-year-old during a fit of road rage Tuesday. According to a police report, the two got into an argument that quickly escalated off Kendall Drive and Southwest 137th Street. The suspect was on a motorcycle while the victim was in a van. At one point, the two got out, started to argue. That is when police say Polo shot the woman in the leg. She was taken to the hospital and he was arrested. That woman is in stable condition at last check, and the suspect is facing a second-degree murder charge.